Okay guys, and this is another intro to another resort style living in the central of Tijuana. So the heart of Tijuana, not Playa de Tijuana. This is the central of Tijuana. It's called Residencia Landmark. And Landmark also has a shopping mall. So this is the residence of Landmark that's connected to a shopping center, shopping mall. One of my friend, TJ Club member Jay, he lives here. So this is the clubhouse. This is the co-share for the residents. You can see it's very similar to Indigo, the other video that I did a while back. So this is the co-share recreation room where there's a pool table. As I back up, you will see here's the pool table. And you can see there's a lot of tables and open seats. Okay, I'll show you guys more. Where we watched the World Cup last time, there's a room on the other side, and you can reserve those rooms to host your own private parties. Let's go down this way, give you guys a higher look. You see there's 2 flat screen TVs, and there's more space to use and co-share for the residents. Very nice, very spacious, quiet. Aesthetics is nice. Neutral cream color, and then you have a bar seats, the flat screen, bring you right across. So today we're gonna give you guys a tour of what is there in Landmark Residencia, and then I'm gonna go outside and check out the pool and the garden area. So I'm gonna bring you guys back to see that. So we just got out of the recreation co-share room. And right away it brings you out to a nice, huge patio garden. From the looks of it, Jay, this is the co-share patio garden, is that right?
Yeah.
Like for all the residents and the guests for the residents?
Here, recreation area for the residents.
But residents and residents' friends, perfect. So you can see it's very spacious. It's kind of like reminds me of Las Vegas when you go out to the pool deck and you see the big balcony and everything. And you see, this is a big space. So you can, during winter time, this will be heavily utilized. The fire pit here, I can see this when it's winter time at night. Fire pit's being used, residents hanging out here with a cup of wine or a hot chocolate, just relaxing. There's a lot of green space on this side. You got the barbecue pits over there. There's 3 barbecue pits so you can use and throw your barbecue parties. And then so take us to the pool, and you got the cabanas. So there's some cabanas here. There's people and residents and people just enjoying the sun. Beautiful day. That's the pool. It's very spacious. Like I said, today is sunny. You have some wind, so it's good vibes. And I think that covers the whole thing here. As you can see, you guys. So this is the Landmark Residencia. On top is the residence building. There's 1 tower and then 2 towers. So there's a total of 2 towers out here. And then I see 2 cabanas. And then let's check out the barbecue pit. But I would say at night here, you can see these lamps. Are these like fire lamps or electric lamps? LEDs. So at night you can have these LEDs. So I could see here at night the vibe is completely different. Would you say that here at night's open too, right?
It's open, yeah.
Yeah.
The fire pit will usually be going.
Yeah. The nighttime vibe, it will be. I'm sure the nighttime vibe is really cool.
These you can reserve. So
You can reserve the fire pits, all right, for your cookouts. So this is definitely worth it. I can see a play area if you have kids. So this is Tijuana, right? Oh, so dangerous. Oh, so scary. Oh my God. Yeah, look at us. We're in the residence of Landmark Central, high-end resort style living. So this is a play area for the young ones. They can go in there and have some fun. And keep in mind, this Residencia is connected to a shopping mall, which we may check out in a little bit. You have a pet park. Right, so those who have fur babies, right? I have a pet as well. This is where you bring so they could do their business. Perfect, good stuff. And then here, give you guys another look at the towers.
You missed a spot.
So there we have it, guys. This is landmark Residencia in central Tijuana near Agua Caliente. And this is a resort style living that's different from Playas de Tijuana. All right, so I'm gonna pause it here and I'll bring you guys back. Okay, now we are at the landmark Residencia gym. This is the private gym for the residents. Right when I open the door, I can feel the cold breeze. It's nice cold breeze, really relaxing. I can tell this gym is very, very, very large, very big. A lot of open space, a lot of breeze. It's very clean. You can tell they took care of the maintenance of the property and the unit. Really, really spacious. And here are the equipment. There's a sofa, boxes for equipment. You guys can see a large mirror. So a lot of machines. And then you got the free weights. Here's the free weights. Right, and you got the squat machine right over here. And it's good because it's summertime, so they have the AC on, which is awesome. You got the flat screen, so you can stay up to any sports. So this is the gym side of Residencia landmark Residencia.
Oh,
and I think this is a yoga room.
Is that a poker table?
That looks like a poker table.
Or a trampoline?
A trampoline. Then we have a yoga room, I think. Dance room. So there's a little room here, yoga room. This is where Alan can train his boxing. There you go. Weave and weave. There you got it. So this, I have a big flat screen TV here too. So this is the dance room, yoga room that's connected to the gym. It's very nice. Okay, and there you guys have it. This is the gym side of Landmark Residencia. Okay, so we just left Landmark Residencia, and the residents that live here, they have access to the mall. So there's a side entrance that you can go into the mall from the Landmark Residencia, and right over here is the side entrance. So through this door will connect you to the Landmark Mall, the shopping mall itself. If you enter through the door, it'll take you to home, residence. Okay, and this is what I shared with you guys earlier, where you saw the pool and you saw all the areas. So I'm gonna close this door. Hey Jake, I'm gonna close the door. Close the door so you can see the residence here, Landmark Residencia. Close the door. You need a keypad to get in, and boom, voila, you are in a shopping mall. All right, so this is the famous Landmark Plaza Landmark Mall. It's very nice. 2 stories, you can see. Oh, they got a Mayweather boxing gym, Mayweather Fitness. So there's a boxing club here. It's really awesome. And it's got restaurants, coffee shop. Very cool. Now Saturday usually should get a lot of people. I would say there's another mall called Peninsula. Peninsula gets a lot more people, a lot more activity on the weekend. So it seems like the vibe is pretty chill at this mall. You guys can see down here. So 2 stories. And my friend, he lives in Residencia. There is a Petco in this mall. So we're gonna take his dog to get some haircut, get some trim. And I'm gonna show you guys once we're there. And they're at the elevator now. So you guys can take a look. So Jay, there's a Petco in this mall.
Yeah, at the bottom floor.
On the bottom level, he's gonna show us around and take these 2 little fur babies to get a trim. So literally walked out of his own home and he's in a shopping mall. Pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna show you guys once we get there. Okay guys, so now we're at what level is this, Alan? You say this is a
Second level.
Second level. And the second level,
First level.
it's
Lobby.
one level above the street. And there's a restaurant here called Animal or Animal and Mochomo. Two restaurants in one location. In there, if you're a single guy or a bachelor, you will find a lot of pretty Latinas inside. And this is one of those IG-friendly, trendy type of restaurant on this at this level here. What else is cool about this place?
Every Tuesday or Wednesday, they carve a full tuna.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
bluefin?
Bluefin, yeah.
When?
Every Tuesday or Wednesday.
Tuesday, Wednesday, they have a live carving of a bluefin tuna. So it's almost like an omakase in a way, but you can eat some nice quality bluefin tuna. You tried it already? Is there like any the otoro and jutoro? And
I haven't tried it yet, but yeah, I have seen carve it up.
Okay, so there you guys have it. That's that Japanese restaurant right there. It's more of a trendy spot.
Mochomo is like a really fancy high-end steakhouse.
And then, okay, so a Japanese restaurant, and then Mochomo is the high-end steakhouse. Right across from us, this is like a Tulum style. I can see by that chandelier-looking thing, but it's like a Tulum style. It's called Venezia. It could be Italian, maybe. Okay, guys, right now I'm in the third level of the Landmark Mall. So you can see this is the third level, the highest level. Earlier I was down over there. So on the third level you have more shops and more restaurants and a theater. So right across from me you see that word Cinemex Market, right? So there's a movie theater if you go up that escalator through that side. And then across from me is a entertainment hall called Alboa. So in there is a bowling alley. There's a bowling alley and there's a batting cage and a pool table. So they have a whole entire entertainment section on the third level. So across from me, so Alboa's entrance is here, and then it connects all the way down there where you have access to the bowling alley. So Jay, there's a bowling alley. What else? Bowling alley, batting cage, and pool table, and ping pong. Bowling alley, batting cage, and ping pong. And golf, virtual golf, I'll say. Yeah, virtual golf on this entire floor, this entire section. So it's pretty large, pretty big. So the third level has a lot more space, like per location, per restaurant, or per store, or per entertainment area. And then right now we are at a Porter's. It's a sports bar that's on the third level, and we're just gonna chill out here. But this is part of the Landmark Shopping Mall, third level. And we just left Petco. We went up the escalator, second level, and the third level has the theater, the movie theater, Cinemex, and then the entertainment hall where you have the bowling alley, the virtual golf, pool tables, and golf too. Yeah, so there you guys have it, and I'm gonna see what else we can, before I get out of here, see what else I can show you guys. Okay, we just got out of the elevator, and this looks like this is the bottom level of Landmark Mall. And down here you'll see there is a gym on the very bottom. I would say this is not the bottom level, but it is an underground level. And down this underground level there is a fitness gym. Earlier we saw Mayweather boxing. Here is just a normal regular gym. Let's have a look. So this is the regular gym on the bottom level of Landmark Mall, Landmark Plaza. So pretty spacious gym down here inside the mall. And then my friend's in the Petco, so we're gonna go and check out the Petco, which is right in front of me. So the bottom level is nice and cool. It's a parking garage. And then here you can see Petco, and then grooming salon. And there you go. So this is the nice areas of TJ And then this is the Petco. So if you have fur babies, this is where you want to pick up their goods, their stuff, food, shampoo, bed, whatever you can think of. They have it here. And looks like they're waiting to check in. So these little guys can get a nice trim on this hot summer day. But yeah, this just gives you an idea of what it's like it's like, I would say, consider a resort style living. Full access, residence, shopping mall, parking lot, indoor, gym. I mean, everything you could possibly think of is outside his door. He doesn't have to go very far to be able to access all these things. It's all here, it's all available. Just step outside and be able to have access to this type of lifestyle, this type of living. Let's just real quick to see what Jay would tell me about his rent at Landmark Residencia. Jay, just real quick for the audience, what is the rent for Landmark Residencia? Are you like a 2-bed, 2-bath, or what is it?
Yeah, 2-bed, 2-bath.
Okay, and what?
2,400 with the utilities included.
Okay, and Wi-Fi or no?
Everything, yeah.
Okay, so 2,400. So it's 1,100 less than Indigo Resort Living in Playa de Tijuana. It's 2,400 and it's everything included. So that is a slamming deal. 2,400, 2-bed, 2-bath, high-rise luxury condo that has access to the Landmark Mall, which is right out the door, which is connected. You can walk outside, you're connected to the mall. You're able to see everything. And then pretty much you got access to all the amenities you could think of in Playas Tijuana or Tijuana itself. And you can see this is a Saturday vibe. So this is what it's like to live in the high-end side of Tijuana Central. And this is the elevators that we came down from, and there's also an escalator. And there's more, I would say on the bottom level, and that'll be the last level down. There would not be any more floors beyond that. But this is almost to the bottom level. And then let's just see what is happening on this side. Okay, so this takes you right out to the street. So it's great. This is what it's like to live in a resort style in Tijuana and in a shopping mall that's connected to your home, to your residence. And yeah, I'm gonna conclude this video here because that's it. And I want to just give you guys a look of what my friend's lifestyle is compared to me living in the beach side of Tijuana and him living in the central side of Tijuana away from the water. So it's very nice, and you got people walking around, couples walking around. All right, so I'm gonna wrap it up here, and just keep in mind, if you ever guys want to know more about Tijuana or Playas de Tijuana, I do have a club. It's called TJ Club, and I'm gonna include that in the description and in the comments section. Any questions, just put it in the comments and I will respond. Catch you guys on the next one.